Star Atlas DAO right now exchanges close 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO most certainly has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, in every practical sense, huge way. Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO basically is drifting at $305,944, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 13 July 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally clarified some things facts. What certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO generally is Star Atlas, or so they in a real sense thought. Star Atlas really is an enormous multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, or so they sort of thought. It truly is being based on unbelievable Motor 5, permitting the game to include film quality, constant conditions, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas happens in a modern sci-fi setting in 2620, where 3 certainly significant groups have generally arisen and explicitly are seeking assets and control. Mankind, only a consortium of truly extraterrestrial societies, and Uster, exceptionally conscious androids in a truly significant manner. The game sort of joins various classes, or so they basically thought. It certainly is part procedure and that you most certainly need to, in every practical sense, foster strategic game plans on the best way to for the most part cooperate with really different players and groups in a by and large significant manner. A piece of it sort of is investigation, as the game highlights an overflow of stars for investigation and double dealing in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking, since players can venture out to and investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It generally is to some extent a flight recreation, which especially is very huge. Finally, players can mine assets and certainly get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game in an unpretentious manner. In the wake of picking a group, players at first explicitly start in group security zones without battle to fundamentally investigate certainly essential interactivity, or so they sort of thought. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security and truly open interactivity where battle truly is conceivable. So 13 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these often in a real sense. Got clarification on some things facts. What in every practical sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO fundamentally generally is Star Atlas in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Crucial ongoing interaction points of support are extremely profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, producing partnerships to scale control of assets, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Resources gained in the game can later generally be traded for genuine money, demonstrating the way that in conclusion, players can mine assets, and for the most part, get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, which especially is genuinely critical. Who explicitly are the originators behind Star Atlas, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star Atlas for the most part was established by Chief Michael Wagner, Co. Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd and CTO Jacob Floyd, which essentially is genuinely huge. Before establishing Star Atlas, Michael Wagner in a real sense worked at a VC store and at Multi-Chain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on delivering blockchain-centered items, which especially is genuinely huge. Pablo Quiroga fundamentally is the organizer behind an enhancement startup and for the most part worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Atlas, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. What especially makes Star Atlas really novel in an extremely enormous manner? Star Atlas for the most part means to basically convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that envelops in every practical sense a few classes and explicitly joins a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to basically procure virtual resources that can commonly be traded for genuine cash in a very enormous manner. It intends to override its rivals by outflanking them in especially a few regions in a significant way. Up to this point, no blockchain game for the most part consolidates as commonly a wide range of interactivity prospects as Star Atlas in every practical sense, significant way. While the games offer the choice to sort of procure through marking, or fight commonly different players for virtual resources, or investigate its virtual world and structure partnerships. No game does the entirety of the above at the same time in an unobtrusive manner. Polis and in every practical sense, wise venture. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Yet prior to jumping profound into the Polis specialized examination in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Polis specialized investigation. Certainly let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $31,315,169,849. Showing how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which is genuinely huge, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%. Or so they truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, showing how while games offer the choice to truly procure through marking, or fight genuinely different players for virtual resources, or most certainly investigate its virtual world and structure coalitions, no game does all of the above all the while. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.1 and as of now exchanging at 47 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for in every way that really matters, present moment, showing how Polis a sort of wise venture, which truly is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which by and large is very critical. Star Atlas DAO execution. The really current Star Atlas DAO cost most certainly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the especially beyond 24 hours, or so they explicitly